everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to make your own folder icon on Photoshop C6 and versions. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I had a folder. If you want like this, just search it in divisionart.com. Search get folders, and then you will see this. Okay, I picked a picture at the bottom here. And then right click and then create clipping mask. See it's in here. And then blending options, color overlay, and then color like this. And then don't use opacity, just use blend mode. Okay. Screen. So save. So I'm done saving it. Just save as, and then PNGs. Okay. I've done to save it from my next one. So I'm gonna post it. Okay. There, this is what I saved, and then click that. First, you have a icon to make folder icon in here, and then click that, and then this is the PNG image. You need to delete this. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the link of icon. Okay, if you have a message for me, just private message for me, and subscribe for more new tutorials. Okay, bye bye.